जय श्रीमन्नारायण 326th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Adhishthanaaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who has taken the divine tortoise Kurmanarayana Swarupam and went to the bottom portion of the mountain Mandara in that huge ocean and held that entire mountain on your back and kept that mountain stable so that Devatas and Rakshasas can churn that mountain in that ocean with the help of Vasuki like a big thread. You are the one who made that mountain stable so that it won't drown in that ocean. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Adhishthanaaya Namaha. Om Adhishthanaaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami, in the process of consoling, pacifying Bharata, he is saying that, "Oh Bharata, do not cry. I know, I understand. Our father now is no more, and I also came to this forest with all these big changes. You must be going through such a huge intense grief. But what to do, Bharata? Nothing is in our control. Please do not move to tears. Varjaniya hi dhirena sarvavasthasu dhimata. The strong man should not be moving to tears at any circumstances. Swastho bhava. Come on, console yourself. Be stable, Bharata. Masochihi, do not cry. Yatvacha avasa tampurim. Go back to Ayodhya. Oh Bharata, whatever our father ordered us to do, let both of us do the same thing. You know what, Bharata? Following our elderly people helps us to enjoy other worlds after we depart from this body. And following dharmam helps us to enjoy other worlds after we depart from this body. And also, Bharata, not behaving foolishly, not behaving with so much of angry, that also helps us enjoy other worlds after we depart from this body. Oh Bharata, when father was alive, he established his own fame, his own reputation. We should not be causing any kind of harm to that fame and reputation of our father. Our father also established such a great character. We should not be causing any kind of harm to that character. Having both of those things in our vision, we have to be very careful and we have to behave very careful. For that reason, you have to go back. You have to coronate yourself and start ruling the kingdom. Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami explaining everything to Bharata. Then Bharata is addressing again back to Sri Ramachandra Swami, saying that, "Oh my dear brother Rama, who would be there like you, such a great man in this world, Rama? When you are in the middle of this so many troubles, you are not feeling any kind of pain. So also I have seen when you are in the middle of so many pleasures, you are not so much excited. You always maintain balanced mind. Oh Rama, who would be there like you in this entire universe? Sammataschapi vruddhanam. Even such great sages, elderly people also respects you because they think that you are Sarvajna, you know everything. They respect you very well. Even then, in spite of that, you always go and consult them. Tamscha pruchasi samsayan. You always go and consult them to clarify all your doubts. You always show that kind of respect to elderly people. Oh Rama, who would be there this kind of man in this entire universe? Oh Rama, usually when some people are departed, after their death, we do not hate them. But now you, as and how we do not hate those who departed, you would not be hating, you would not show any kind of, you would not spill any kind of hatredness on anyone, those who are alive also. To that extent you love everyone. Oh Rama, who would be there like you in this entire universe? Usually those things that we have, we would not be having any kind of longingness towards that. But you are the one, you would not have any kind of longingness, cravingness towards whatever that you have, whatever you do not have. You maintain that kind of stable mind. Oh Rama, who would be there like you in this entire universe? Those who realize Paramatma and Jivatma, those who have self-realization and Paramatma realization, only those people can be like this, and only those people will not be fearing and will not be worrying in spite of they going through several troubles. You are such Rama. But Rama, you know what? I am not able to, I cannot take separation, I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Oh Amaropama, you are the one who is equivalent to all the devatas. That is why I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Sattvastham, you always so gentle. That is why I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Satyasangaraha sarvajnaha, you know everything and you are a great man, Mahatma. You have such a great mind, great buddhi, and very compassionate towards everyone. Oh Rama, that is why I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Buddhiman, you have such a great discriminative knowledge, you have such a great intellect. That is why I cannot bear the separation from you, Rama. Oh Rama, please prasidatu bhavan mama, show your compassion on me, Rama. I cannot bear separation from you. Whatever that entire disaster happened, I do not like that at all. Please prasidatu bhavan mama, show compassion on me. Like this again Bharata is requesting Sri Ramachandra Swami, begging Sri Ramachandra Swami and helping Ramachandra Swami understand that Bharata cannot bear the separation from Sri Ramachandra Swami. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 35th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. अच्युतः प्रथितः प्राणः प्राणदो वासवानुजः अपांनिधिः अधिष्ठानम् अप्रमत्तः प्रतिष्ठितः। ओम सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। ओम अधिष्ठानाय नमः। ओम अधिष्ठानाय नमः। ओम अधिष्ठानाय नमः।